everyone, and this is Dr. Shannon Picardo, and today I'm going to show you exercises for osteoarthritis of knee. In my previous video I have shown you all about osteoarthritis, what is osteoarthritis, what happens, what are the stages, what are the causes. So do check my video on to know what is osteoarthritis, and today I'm going to show you very simple exercises, home exercises for osteoarthritis. Let's begin. Okay? So our first exercise would be, can you sit up straight? Yes. Okay. First exercise is long sitting calf stretch. You need a towel like this. Okay. Roll it under your foot. Hold it on both your hands. Good. And just pull your foot towards you. Pull your foot towards you and hold this stretch for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. So this is your first exercise. You need to do it 10 counts, 2 sets with 10 seconds hold. This is our first exercise. Just repeat it once more. Stretch and release. Perfect. Our second exercise will be in the same position, long sitting. Again, roll the towel under your foot, and in this position you have to assist your knee in bending. It's down. This exercise is towel assisted knee flexion. Bend, relax. Again, as much as you can. Down. 10 counts. Relax. 2 sets. Our second exercise. Our third exercise is in lying down position. For this you require a roll towel like this. Okay? And we will do isometrics for quadricep. Now what is isometrics? Isometric is basically contraction of the muscle without doing movement of the joint. So let's start quadricep isometrics. Roll a towel under your knee and press your knee down in such a way that your heel raises slightly up. You can see these quads coming up. This is what we want. Okay, hold this count now for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Down. Again, 10 seconds hold, 10 repetitions into 2 sets. This is quadricep isometric. Okay? This is our third exercise. Now we will go for our fourth exercise. Again, roll towel under your heel. This is isometrics for your hamstring. Again, contraction of your hamstring without a movement of your joint is what is isometrics. So now you press your heel down such that you feel a stretch here lower. Okay? Again, hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. 10 counts, 10 repetitions, 2 sets. Good. Let us go for the fifth exercise in lying down position. Repeat this. I need both your knees bent. Both your knees bent. Hands at the side. You have to lift your hip up. Okay? Lift your hip up. Lift it. Good. Hold this count again. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This exercise is called bridging. Okay, we're lifting your hip up and holding it to put load on the knee slightly. Lift up again. Once more, hold it. So hold it for 10 seconds into 10 repetition, 2 sets. This is our fifth exercise, bridging. These are exercises that you have to do in lying down position. Next we will show exercises in prone lying, that is lying down on your tummy. For this exercise, I want you to lift both your knees together. Bend both your knees together in a very slow motion together and get it down slowly again. Can we do it again? 10 times. Bend slowly towards as much as you can go and get it down. Good. Again, we have to do this 10 counts, 10 repetitions, 2 sets. Once more, bend. Good. As much as you can and slowly get it down. Our next exercise will be in sitting position. So first exercise will be dynamic quads. Okay, in this exercise you have to lift your knee up, straighten it, hold that, 5 counts to 10 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, down. Gradually take it up again, straighten it, 10 counts and relax. 10 repetitions, 2 sets with 10 counts hold, down. Our next exercise will be seated marching. In this you have to lift your knees up and down and do it for both the legs. Yes, repeat. Down, up, down, 10 counts, down into 2 sets. Good. This is seated marching in sitting position. Next we are going to do exercises in standing. Our first will be mini lunges. So one leg forward, equally straight, keep your foot straight again and slightly lunge down and up. Yes. Do it. Good. Without putting too much pressure on the knee. Do not load it completely, do not go completely down. Yes. If you find it difficult, you can also take support of any objects or the wall beside you or a chair and help yourself go slightly down. Perfect. This is mini lunges. Next, we will be going for mini squats. Keep distance between your knee. It's mini squats, more like sumo squats, more distance. Good. And slightly keep your hands ahead. Slightly go down and up. Perfect. Down. Up. Again, if it's getting difficult, you can hold a chair or the wall and slightly go down and up. Perfect. 10 counts into 2 sets. The next we will be going for heel raises. Hold, keep distance, go up on your heel, hold it if you can for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, try, lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect, down. If you cannot hold, no problem, up and down. Just lift up and down 10 times into 2 sets. Again, take support of anything around you so that you do not lose balance. Perfect. And down. Okay, thank you. So these are a few exercises, home exercises that you can do for osteoarthritis of knee. I'm sure they're very, very simple and they will definitely help you. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, Dr. Faye.